Hello everyone, this is Devasis Misra. Here is a important notice, that is diploma admission for the year 2021. So here is the notice published today, diploma admission 2021. So admission to the first semester diploma in engineering or technology, lateral admission to third sem engineering technology and first sem first year non engineering courses. So online applications are invited from eligible candidates for admission to first semester diploma courses in engineering or technology. Lateral admissions of the eligibility candidates to the third semester diploma engineering technology courses, first semester or first year non engineering for the session 2021 and 22. So what is the eligibility? Admission to the first semester of the engineering technology, pass in the HSC examination, that is your 10th standard examination conducted or declared equivalent by BSc Board of Secondary Education Odisha, obtained at least 35% of mark in aggregate, securing 30% marks in each subject at the qualifying examination with math, science and English subjects. So this is your criteria for admission in the first semester diploma. So admission to third semester under lateral entry scheme for eligibility candidates pass in plus 2 science examination from CHSC Odisha or its equivalent examination with PCM physics, chemistry and mathematics, plus 2 vocational or plus 2 year courses in any engineering trade or plus 2 years ITI in engineering trade with pass in HSC examination or 10th standard examination conducted or declared equivalent by BSc Odisha, securing 30% marks in each subject at the qualifying examination. So what is the age limit? Minimum 14 years for all courses except mining or drilling, and mining minimum 16 years for mining, drilling as on 1/7/2021. No upper age limit is there. So reservation under different categories will be applicable for Odisha state candidates only as per the norms applied by the government of Odisha. So outside state candidates fulfilling eligibility criteria are also eligible for reserved for them in private engineering schools or polytechnics only. They are also eligible to take admission under lateral entry provided they have to prosecuted their study for the qualifying examination in an institution having approval from the com- from the commitment authority after execution of states of the merit list. These are the procedure. Then admission to non engineering diploma courses, modern office management MOM, pass in 10th or plus 2 examination from CHSC Odisha or its equivalent examination in the science, arts, commerce recognition by CHSC Odisha, securing 30% mark in each subject at the qualifying examination, that is pharmacy, a pass in 10 plus 2 examination, that is your science academic stream with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics or any other qualifying approved by Pharmacy Council of India and equivalent to the above examination, securing 30% mark in each subject at the qualifying examination. Then hotel management and catering technology HM and CT pass in plus 2 examination from CHSC Odisha, equivalent examination with science, arts or commerce recognized by CHSC Odisha and obtained at least 35% mark in aggregate, securing 30% marks in each subjects at the qualifying examination. Then beauty culture educational qualification is same as the first semester of engineering technology courses. So age limit is minimum 14 years for BC and 16 years for other as on 1/7/2021. No upper age limit. So what is the important point? Reservation under different categories will be applicable as as specified by the government of the Odisha. Candidate appearing in the qualifying examination may also apply. However, he or she has to produce the said pass certificate with minimum marks as mentioned above at the time of the document verification. So, for more details, refer to the information brochure available in the website, that is www.dtetodisha.gov.in. That website I will give in my description. You can see from this. So important notes: candidates should read the information brochure carefully and apply through online mode only along with the required data and application fee Rs 200 for ST and SC and female. Okay, so carefully 200 for ST, SC and female and 300 for male candidates. PC and transducer category of application are exempted from the payment or application fee, and the payment can be made through the ATM cum debit card, net banking only through the internet by logging on to the website www.dtetodisha.gov.in. I will give the details in my description. So important dates: availability of online application, that is your third sem lateral entry 5/7/2021 to 10/8/2021 first sem first year, then 5/7/2021 to 8/8/2021. So these are the details of diploma admission, and this notice I will give in the description. You just click on this description link, then you will find this notice, and all about the website I will given in my description. You will go through this and you can read this. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.